Why your keyword research is failing the search intent gap. Now, before I talk about this, I want to introduce you AI SEO writing tool called Arval. The link will be in the description. Absolutely, you can try it for free. Go check that out. So, why keyword research is failing and why there is a search intent gap. Now, the moment you open Google, some people get recommended. So let me just type it right here. Yeah, these guys get recommended the latest trends, and they get, all these users get hooked to it, right? So they forget what they were came to search for. So it's like in this case, it has happened to me the many times. I go to search something and I get recommended something, and I get lost. And even if I search, then AI overviews takes place. Okay, so AI overviews, it pulls up the information from the latest updated content pages, and then it provides me the information. So there's no way I'm going to those websites. There is not even a need to go to the website, because the information I need, it has been provided by AI overviews. So keyword research doesn't work anymore, because if you optimize your site for keyword, then it's just a waste of time. So what's happening in 2026 with all these overviews and AI overviews? So first thing first, what you want to do is go get a SEMrush, go and go into the keyword overview, and here what you can do is, I'm sorry, not the keyword overview, but the AI visibility, and go to the prompt research. So once you go into the prompt research or competitor research, you can enter any topic. So let's just say dog food, and let's just wait for it to generate results. And here we have got the topics, prompts, brands, and source domains. So here let's just go into the prompts, and you will get the prompts and prompt response, how the AI is responding, how the AI is positioning some of the brands in order to give the information. If I click on view full response, you can see, and you can also see the sources which AI overviews found from. Now what you want to do is you want to pick top 3 articles. So let's just take a look at this. Why is it the top source? So here we got, and I want to take a look at all these comments, all the information provided here, and what I can do is I can take all this information and replicate it using AI Writer, or you can also feed it to the Arval. So if I go into the customization, click on knowledge base, click on add new knowledge base, click on create knowledge base, and here click on add assets, and here select the website and go take this link and put it as a knowledge base. That's it, done. So this is how you write people first content, and also at the same time use competitors as advantage. So if you get it, like this video and comment something below, subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more SEO videos on AI SEO writing tutorials. With that said, catch you on the next one.